Yeah, nigga, I go out the night. Nigga, baby, Pat and Lloyd, they are in the buildings. So I go out the block of Chris Park with my other niggas. The other soldier, man. The hopes. My nigga Majay in the wheel. He's a good nigga. He's fast. Crazy. At your side, Marcus. A big Hoover percent. A real gangster, man. You know? He got every ace on the shit. I'm in the back seat with my nigga in the gym. You know that. That's a crazy Hoover. He love fight on the shit. On the girls. But fight all the time with my nigga Jabarius. You know, they love. My nigga Jay looks into run in the corner. You know, he showed to my nigga Marcus. He confirmed. That's a deal. It's a motherfucking crack addicted. Walk around. It's a black car. In Tunics. I never seen that nigga before. That nigga sucking among them. And look, that nigga gets out the car. Start walking around. That was a wrong decision. You feel me? He's saying he's dead. Poor nigga. That nigga stand from his car. Look us few seconds. I drop a motherfucking gun scene. That was ridiculous, man. Embarrassing. So my nigga my gin. Put up the gin and put the car from him. That nigga don't give a fuck. And do the gun scene one more time. They take my pistol and shoot. Pow, 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 pow. Go in. My nigga with the Uzi. You know how we see it now. The founder of the history. It's the same shit of all day. When nigga Majay step on the gas and go out of the sun. Those ninjas. Police department come to the scene. Two niggas on the floor. And you already seen nothing. We don't love the snitch. My nigga Lloyd side with the people of Chris Park. They covered us. Baby means a monster. He hidden us in the blocks. We stay with him for now. Any nigga comes Crystal Park gang. We do the action. War for life, nigga.